Welcome to Amruta's Kitchen and Beauty YouTube channel. Let us see how to prepare mango rasam. Material required: mango, tur dal, tomato, green chili, coriander, curry leaves, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, methi seeds, ing, oil, red chili, pepper. Take rice cooker and boil tur dal, make it ready. Take a pan, along with oil, red chili, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, methi seeds, yang, and prepare tempering. Now, add tomato, curry leaves, green chili along with boiled tur dal. Now, add turmeric powder, raw mango pulp, pepper powder, red chili powder, salt and coriander leaves. Let all mixed material completely boil for some to get more taste. A tasty mango rasam is ready to serve. Thanks for watching this videos. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Amruta's Kitchen and Beauty for upcoming latest recipes and updates.